That's pretty funny. Problem is, you can't actually see what's going on. Well, now I've fixed that.
But that's not everything I've been up to this week.
Suck.
Right, really important rule, please don't shoot me.
But okay.
Don't point to shoot you.
Yeah.
Does anyone have any questions?
No.
Make sure, man, can you specifically do touch that wall at the top so we can tell that you are dead?
What did you say? What did you just say? Specifically? Specifically? Oh god, I'm done. Ollie, never again. Never playing with you again.
He's geographically inadequate.
Specific emotion.
Oh, right.
What's another word for the year 2000?
Wasted.
No, say it. Say it.
Let's get the game going.
Right, are you all ready?
Yeah.
I guess.
3, 2, 1, game on!
I'm behind you, mate. Oh, what did you...
I'm coming round.
You go low?
I was enjoying that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was enjoying that.
That was me. Ollie.
We were enjoying the music.
That was me.
Oh, it's you!
Yes.
Oh my god, that's you!
Yes.
Dead man!
Got him. Come. Yeah, I can cut that. Dead man! Wow! Headshot. Got him. Thank you, sir. Oh, damn it.
We alright?
Yeah, there's one guy peeking. Oh! Thank you! I'll get him. Oh, that's a cracking shot that is. Got him. Oh, I domed him.
They're coming down the slide.
Arm hit. Yeah, I got his arm. We're good. Oh! It didn't go off. We're good.
No way! No way!
The child does not consent. I do not consent.
Right, get all on concrete shifts, all go down metal staircase, just get on concrete, let us get our spawn changed, and then go where because running back to this room here is going to be a nightmare.
Good idea.
This is going to test your endurance, this mission. So, getting down,
That's why you're the boss.
get everyone downstairs on the concrete. We tried it with 9 players, didn't we? When
Yes,
you
Nick.
not enough to get concrete.
Yes, sir, Nicky.
Yes,
You don't have to. You can bugger off who you want. And then we're sprinting back to this room every 10 seconds because we're getting shot to pieces.
Alright. No, that's a sound idea.
Oh, get down that staircase, you got this.
What's happening?
Right, new plan. Everybody just go where you want.
Okay, right. Change plan. No, I marked 5 for the staircase. If you guys want to go down, I got them up. Yeah.
Okay, ready? Grenade! Aha. Go, go, go! Do the medic. See you later. Dude, that was close. No, you got out yet? Huh? I got twice. Oh, I've had twice. We've got the game. Oh, we've done it. But yeah, I got one other guy went with me as well. Yeah, he went with me, so we already matched them. We've got sight. Sorry? Let that down. What's that? It's our response to let down. You okay?
I got shot in the back of the leg.
Oh, my baby. My baby. Alright, get yourself set up. I will take the I
have a feeling this is a bad idea.
I have the dirty one ready. It's going to be exactly that. You're taking the I did, all over you.
Right guys, quickly, it is 1:45 now. Do you want one quick game of method and go in?
Yay!
Yeah!
Yeah, just fan me up, princess.
You talk to me so much. Yep.
I got excited, sorry. Alright.
Off you go.
See you in 15 minutes.
3, 2, 1, game on!
Have I got any more mags? I'm sure I've got one more mag.
Last one remaining.
And Frank, as always. What? This is getting quite hot. Do you want to feel that? So if I burst into flames combustion, just spontaneously, you know why?
Oh, jeez.
It's
You just wanted me to feel you there, didn't you?
well, I mean, I am hot.
Is it on camera?
Yeah. Oh, cracking. That's a headshot. A headshot's banned, Pete, by the way. No? Okay, we're good then.